Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with WhatsApp Business via Twilio for no-code chat, beginner guide step-by-step clearly. To register with WhatsApp Business via Twilio, start by visiting the Twilio website. Create a Twilio account if you haven't already. Log in to your Twilio account dashboard. Navigate to the messaging section in the left side menu. Select Try It Out, then WhatsApp. Click on the Get Started button for the WhatsApp sandbox. Follow the instructions to set up your WhatsApp sandbox environment. You will receive a sandbox number, take note of it for later. Open your smartphone and launch WhatsApp. In the chat search bar, type in the sandbox number provided by Twilio. Send the message join to this number to connect your WhatsApp with the Twilio sandbox. Return to your Twilio dashboard to verify the connection. Once confirmed, access the Numbers section in your Twilio console. Click on Get a Number to purchase a WhatsApp-enabled phone number. Choose a number that suits your needs and complete the purchase. You can now set up your WhatsApp business profile. Fill in your business information, including name, description, and address. Now, go to the Settings tab in your Twilio console. Under Messaging, find the WhatsApp section. Here, you can configure your messaging services. Decide on the functionalities you want for your no-code chat setup. You can integrate with platforms like Zapier for easier automation. Once everything is configured, test your setup. Send a WhatsApp message from your business number to ensure it works. Make adjustments as necessary to enhance your user experience. Congratulations, you are now set up to use WhatsApp Business via Twilio for no-code chat. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.